Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, First, thanks to Mr. Moderator that give me time to present our research paper. The title of our research paper is Comparison of YOLO and Max RCNN for Segmenting Head and Tile Office. My name is Eko Prasetyo and my team is Miss Nani Suciati and Miss Gastin Fatiha. We come from Institut Teknologi 10 November Surabaya. This is the background of our research. We know that fish have a high demand, especially in selling point in traditional market, because Indonesian people like to eat the fish. So the problem is how ordinary people can recognize which fish have a good quality, e.g. the fish is fresh, and which is the fish has no good quality. So fish freshness recognition automatically from its image is a smart solution to help people select good quality fish in easy, real time, and non-destructive ways. So we hope the system could be a simple, fast, and easy to use identification tool. But recognizing fish freshness using whole fish, fillet, or skin is not adequate as a basis for classifying freshness because the change in physical properties. So we have to conduct more explore using other certain body part of fish such as head and tail. So to support the uh, um, in classifying the fish freshness, we have to segment the head and tail of fish as ROI, region of interest, using the proper segmentation method. So in this paper, we investigate the object detection based segmentation to gain which is the proper segmentation method. We focus on two methods, that is YOLO and Max RCNN. This is some reference in object detection based segmentation using convolutional neural network. For example, Henry and Chen customize YOLO version 3 to detect and locate a single class that is license plate of the vehicle. And then Yin et al. Created faster YOLO that combine YOLO and deep random kernel convolutional extreme learning and double hidden layer extreme learning machine autoencoder. Tian also conducted modification of YOLO version 3 for detecting apple with different maturity. Also conducted by Jia and Tian, that is combine ResNet and DenseNet, and Tian using UNet's backbone to improve mass RCNN object detection. For our research, we use 200 of images that randomly selected from 3,000 image of fish. For data train, we use 160 images and validation is 40 images. So from the data set for our experiment, we create more 100 annotation. We divided it to 724 of head and 585 tail annotation. And we divided it to training and validation. During train the model for Max RCNN, we use TensorFlow version 208 and Keras 1510. And the hyperplane of Max RCNN is we use ResNet 101 for the backbone, epoch 100, step per epoch 100, and minimal confidence is 0.9. For part size 1 and learning rate 0.001. And for the yellow version 3, we use a TensorFlow version 230 and kernel version is 243. And the hyperparameter we use max batch is 4000. It is according to the manual for training in YOLO. We have to train 2000 for each class. So because we use two class, we have to train with 4000 max batch. We also use GPU during training, and for IOU threshold we use 0.5. It means that all IOU greater than or equal with 0.5 will be considered as a predicted object. This is the performance of our model during training. We can see both of YOLO and Max RCNN both get the good result. For YOLO that achieve a good result when it achieve about 100 epoch, and Max RCNN also can achieve the best result. Both of YOLO, loss, class loss, bounding box loss, and max loss. This is our example of image in our experiment object detection. We classify our image in 3 cluster. There are single fish, multi-fish, and overlap fish. Single fish is an image that contain only one fish. For multi-fish is when one image contain more than one fish but have no complicated overlap. And overlap is contain many fish with complicated overlap. This is the annotation of YOLO. We create a bounding box for each head and tail, and then this is the detection result of YOLO. We can see our model can detect with good performance for single and multi-fish, but in overlap, some of head and tail cannot be detected with our model. And this one is Max RCNN. The annotation, we use polygon for each head and tail, and the last column is result detection. We can see it's same with YOLO. There are that is for overlap fish. There is some head and tail that cannot be detected. This is the result of our result prediction using precision and recall. we have to detect 133 head and 103 tail. YOLO can detect head 160 and tail is 76. But YOLO have no false positive. So the precision over class, YOLO get the good result with head 98% and 100%. The recall chief is 86 and tile is 73. And the global precision and recall, YOLO gave the good result to 98 and 80%. We compare with Max RCNN, that Max RCNN get the same result for true positive for head and tail have a lower result compared to YOLO. Max RCNN also get false positive, more false positive. So the performance overall, Max RCNN get 96 and 75%. And this one is the result using MAP, and this graph is average precision of precision recall curve. We can see that for YOLO, the head segmentation, the head detection have one step down, have 2 step down, and the tail have no step down. And the Max RCNN have 1 step down, and the tail have 5 step down. For MEP, we calculate the area of under curve. So we get the overall MEP for YOLO is 80.12%, and Max RCNN achieve 73.39. We can see that YOLO have a good result compared to Max RCNN. This is the analysis of our experiment that as reported by Snyder, Danis, and Su et al. That they conducted object detection for ecological data. The result is the best result for faster RCNN is 0.7, and Max RCNN should be used IOU 0.5. So in our investigation, we also use the same IOU for Max RCNN, and YOLO also use 0.5 for minimal IOU. It means that all detected boundary box with IOU greater than or equal to 0.5 will be considered the detection result. We know that the small EOU, the more object will be detected. It means we have give high chance to Max RCNN to achieve the many results. And in our experimental results, so different performance compared to the report of Snyder, Danis, and Su that MAP of YOLO is greater compared to Max RCNN. We analyze that cattle detection that conducted in previous research has many variation in dimension. In direction that can be captured from in front and back and left and right. But in our data set, such as fish, is only have 2 direction, right and left. In this cause, YOLO performance to improve drastically compared to mass RCNN. The other analysis is YOLO has a simpler architecture that is uses one state detector where the backbone and detector are integrated into one architecture and trained simultaneously. Even though the darknet as the backbone is usually pre-trained using ImageNet, but in always in our experiment we retrain all part of the layer when training YOLO. This is the conclusion of our research that YOLO outperform Max RCNN by MAP of 80% and 73% respectively. In terms of head segmentation, both model work optimally with the limitation in segmenting overlapping object. In terms of tail segmentation, YOLO outperform Max RCNN with AP of 73% and 60% respectively. And next, the precision and recall performance also reveal that YOLO was slightly better compared to Max RCNN. Also, the recall performance achieved by YOLO and Max RCNN is 80 and 75%. All of this performance results are using 160 image as the training data and 40 image as the validation data. Therefore, it is necessary to improve YOLO and Max RCNN performance, but by adding data or by modifying the architecture of YOLO or Max RCNN. This is our bibliography. And the last, thank you for the attention. And please queue question and answer. And thank you before. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.